What's up, you guys? This is Sharice, the Afropunk entrepreneur, coming at you with yet another product review. So today's product is called El Bandito, which is Spanish for the Bandito. Anyhow, so before I get into that, if you haven't already run off of my channel because of my corny ass joke, I'm basically an affiliate marketer, a electric bassist on Broadway, and an SEO. SEO is basically the ability to rank videos and blog posts on YouTube and Google, and I'm pretty good at it. So I have some videos on the topic coming out in the future. Anyway, so if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and then drop me a comment. Just let me know that you're a new subscriber, and I'll write you back just a little thank you. Anyway, so what's El Bandito all about? I'm going to show you the sales page. I'm going to show you the membership area, and I have some bonuses to help you guys out in your online marketing career if you choose to get it through the link in my description. So I'm going to jump right into this. This is the sales page. Real life case study shows how we made $419 per hour with just 1 hour of simple work. Here's my thing with affiliate marketing, and the more and more of these reviews I do, the more it's slightly frustrating. You can't think of this as $419 per hour as if you had a regular job which you work 8 hours in. It's kind of more the average of what you would have made over a couple days using methods like this or during a 7-day launch or something like that. So I don't want you guys thinking that all of a sudden you're going to be making, $3,000 a day or something like that. That's not the case. This is an easy method. It's I wouldn't say new, but it's relatively easy. No tech skills or softwares, that's true. Newbie friendly, I would say if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, no, it's not newbie friendly because you have to know what that is and you have to know the basics, but this course will give you a good place to start. Now, this is a case study of this guy named Anthony Mancuso, this guy right here, and I'll show you his little video in a minute of on his proof on how he basically knocked it out of the park with one of his very first reviews, similar to what I'm doing. One of the first reviews that he ever did, like making something like $2,000. And the method that he's using is something that I think a whole lot of people don't think about doing. So it's basically going to allow you to double your affiliate commissions if you already are involved in affiliate marketing, and if you're starting out, how to make double the commissions kind of from the jump. So let's see what else is in here. 3 simple steps. I don't know about the 3 simple steps, but anyway, like I said, I try to be honest on these reviews. I mean, I really do like this course, and this is something that I'm actually going to start doing going forward as far as my affiliate marketing career, because you absolutely can double your commissions. If you have normally a $100 day, then you can have a $200 day, and so forth and so on. But you do need to put in the effort. So these are some of his screenshots of he was able to make 68 sales, and this is how much he was able to come away. Fuego Multiplier came out a couple weeks ago. He got 119 sales. This is how much he made. So the guy is doing pretty well. His very first one that he did, this is the one. 114 sales, 2,000, that amount of money. So the guy knows what he's doing. So I'm going to basically, in addition to this proof, I'm going to cut to a portion of his video where he shows you basically his proof of the back office, so you know that he didn't just take these from somebody else and stick them on here. So I'm going to cut to that, and then I'm going to cut back to my review and talk further about what we got going on here.
I was able to make $2,325.45. Okay, and I was able to make that money and build my list at the same time. Okay, so from doing this, I built almost 800 to 900 subscribers on my email list as well. All right, so not only did I make this initial money, but I can also send them promotions and make money from my email list after this as well.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So we're back. I hope watching Anthony's case study and proof kind of enticed you guys to want to learn a little bit more about this course. So we're going to dive into the membership area now, and then we'll talk to you about some bonuses. So basically, like I said, the course is called El Bandito. This guy is Anthony Mancuso. He's a super cool guy. I think he got started with affiliate marketing, I feel like 8 or 9 months ago. I think he started before me. And I think I was still learning about affiliate marketing. But the point is, it's been less than a year, and he's starting to do really, really well. I think this is his 2nd or 3rd course that he's put out, and he's starting to really be able to grow his business. But this video is all about basically how much money he made in that video that you saw when he was basically a newbie, or like a little bit, maybe a month or 2 into his business, which I think was pretty impressive that he had those kinds of results. with this case study video. So I only edited a snippet of this video into my review. So you want to go ahead and watch the whole thing, and he's going to give you a little bit more about the background of what he did. So the first video is kind of an overview of the method that you're going to be using, and he does this kind of little screen drawing approach that a lot of people do now to kind of visually explain the product, the process for you. And he's going to, in this next video, he's going to show you how to find affiliate offers like the one I'm promoting, and like we all do when you see these YouTube videos, because there's a lot of offers out there that you can promote, and some of them you're going to have a better chance of doubling your income, which is essentially what Anthony did, and essentially what this course is about. Just if you don't know, a lot of these courses that come out, the affiliates, people like myself, will make roughly 50% of the total commission. So like, let's say the product is $10, my commission will be is $5, but Anthony is going to show you a way to make the full $10 yourself, and he's going to show you how to determine which ones out of the courses that come out every day, the products that come out every day, are the best ones to choose for that. The deep funnel section and Slack adjusters and squeezing the lead. The deeper funnel section and Slack adjusters are all about basically how he's tailor making his basically, it's going further into his process. I'm sorry I'm having trouble talking. I don't know if you see the sweat on my face right now. My apartment is so hot, and I'm trying to like keep it together, but my brain is just it's hurting. So I don't mean to keep saying that, but I'm trying to not seem too crazy in this video. Anyway, so he's going to talk about creating an email list. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, the thing is, the money is in the list. And I've learned that myself, that not having a list is really going to hurt you in the long run. Like, for example, I used to have a YouTube channel. I got shut down. I was at 500 subscribers, and I had no way to reach those people and let them know about my new channel, this channel, because I didn't have an email list. So make sure that when you start out with affiliate marketing, you're creating a list. So he's going to show you how to do that with Aweber, but you can use GetResponse or other things. He's going to be showing you how to create a squeeze page, which is like a page that you'll see that'll get you to put your email address in. He's going to show you how to create bridge pages, squeeze pages, and the rest of the stuff is just kind of going through his whole process with emails and then how to get traffic. So that's kind of the course in a nutshell. I didn't want to make this review too long because there's so many reviews out there for it now, and it's been out for a couple of days. My focus right now is on just kind of getting you guys to realize that this is something that you can do as a newbie, and this thing that I've been making money from doing these review videos for a while now. It really does work. You really have to put in the work, but it really can work for you. So I'm going to give you guys talk to you guys about the prices, and then I got a couple little bonuses for you if you want to grab it through me. And let's go ahead. Brain melting. So El Bandito. So let's talk to you about the prices. The price, like when these courses come out, they're really cheap. You know, like typically a course will go from $9.95 to $12.95. This one is $12.95. So if you happen to have $13 lying around, that's like 2 Starbucks coffees where I live in New York City. You can kind of get started on your way of learning how to make money online. Now, the rest of this stuff, I'm not going to tell you to buy these things like a lot of other affiliates would, because I don't know if you have $37 or $17 or $197 or whatever. I will say that making money online is very difficult if you don't have if you're only doing free methods. So the moment that you start making money, my advice to you is to start using money that you make, not to buy coffees and jeans and t-shirts, but to put back into your business. Like what Anthony is doing in his course, he absolutely had to start with a free method, and then when he started making money, like you make in these videos doing what I'm doing, then you take that money, instead of, you know, like I said, buying random things, and you put it back into your business. So the course is $12.95. I'm sorry to ramble. Upsell number 1 is basically done for you campaign. So he's going to, instead of you having to figure out which offers to use and to promote, he's going to do that for you. So that's a 37, and then the downsell. You always want to click through the downsell if you didn't know. Whenever there's an upsell, there's always a downsell. So if you go to the first page and it's $30, then you go to the next page and it'll probably be $15. So just always do that, just so you know, you guys. And I'm going to get in trouble for saying that probably, but it doesn't really matter. So 197 is lifetime affiliate campaigns. So that's going to be basically all the campaigns that these guys are doing. Brendan and his crew. You're going to have lifetime access. Access to promote those campaigns. Sorry about that. Our license upsell number 4 is $97, and that's license rights. If you don't know what license rights are, it's basically the right to sell that course as your own. So like if I bought the license rights to El Bandito, then I could sell this course as my own and not be infringing on Anthony's course, because it's now mine. So I would get 100% commissions on the product because it's now mine. It's not Anthony's anymore. Upgrade number 5 is $2,000. That's Brendan Mace's personal one-on-one coaching. Brendan Mace is the guy who's behind all these courses. Brendan Mace, I think he's like 32. The guy travels around the world all the time, full time. He makes crazy money every month doing these launches and being, so basically the guy is a young guy and he knows what he's doing and he makes serious money. So if you're able to afford his coaching, go for it, because he doesn't do a whole lot of coaching anymore. He just kind of travels and does his thing. But if you got $2,000, he'll coach you. For $197, which is quite a discount, then you get access to what he would teach you if you saw him face to face, but not without access to him. You log into a membership area and you get all his videos and stuff. So that's basically the course and the price in a nutshell. So I just like when I do these kind of courses or reviews, I try to give you bonuses that are congruent, but that doesn't always work. In this case, the bonus that's the most congruent for you guys is there's a hack that I know to earn 100% affiliate commissions for free, and you'll see why I'm saying that if you go through the course as it is now, you're going to need a little bit of money to do it the way Anthony's doing it. The way I'm showing you how to do it is going to allow you to do it for free, and it's an easier place to start than trying to start from if you have $0. So my advice to you again would be start a YouTube channel, start doing these types of reviews. It can be affiliate marketing products. It could be YouTube products. It could be any sort of product that has an affiliate side. You get a little bit of money together, and then you're going to do what Anthony's telling you to do in this video. So I'm an SEO. If you don't know what that means, the ability to rank things on YouTube and Google. And I have a course coming out at the end of August on the 27th. So I'm giving away one free module of the course just to kind of get you guys learning a little bit more about the ranking process and things like that. That's what I'm good at. I'm a